Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Leadership. Student, look, today our lecture number 17, HW Norm 15. Our topic is exercise 9.2, part 4. Student, look, in part 4 of exercise 9.2, I will solve question number 29 and 30. But at first I will solve question number 30. You see the question. Sin theta equal to P, comma, cos theta equal to Q, tan theta equal to R, where theta is an acute angle. One number, R equal to square root, this is called square root 3 inverse 1. Then find the value of theta. Okay, at first I will solve one now. Okay, given R equal to tan theta. Okay, now R equal to 3 inverse 1 or R equal to what? Tan theta. This can be written as 1 by 3 or tan theta equal to what? 1 by root 3. We know tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, then tan vanish, then we get theta equal to 30 degree. Okay, therefore the value of theta is 30 degree. Now see question number 2. If P plus Q equal to 2, then prove that theta equal to 45 degree. Okay, right, given that P equal to sin theta, Q equal to cos theta. Now P plus Q equal to root 2. Now putting the value, P equal to sin theta, Q equal to cos theta equal to root 2 or sin theta equal to root 2 minus cos of theta, or taking the square on the both sides, okay, then sin theta, that means sin theta whole square, that means sin square theta equal to, we have to use the formula. We know a minus whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay, so use this formula in here, root 2 whole square, that means cos square theta. Okay, now look, or sin square theta is equal to 2 minus 2 root 2 cos theta plus sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. Student, look from here, sin square theta equal to square root 2 then whole square, that means only 2 root 2 cos theta, and cos square theta equal to 1 minus, cos square theta means what? 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, student, or student, look, Sin square theta means what? Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta 2 minus 2 root 2 cos theta. No need to break 1 minus sin square theta. We know 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta, or 1 minus cos square theta plus then minus then this will be plus then this will be minus, and this equal to what? 0. Minus cos square theta minus cos square theta, that means minus 2 cos square theta, okay, plus 2 root 2 cos theta minus 2, and this is plus 1. Simplify, then we get minus 1. This is equal to 0. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. Why? Because you see there is minus 1. Okay, so we get 2 cos square theta, then 2 root 2 cos theta, and this will be plus, or we have to use a formula now, minus 2 plus 1 square. Okay, student, look here. Square root 2 cos theta whole square, that means what? If we break the square root 2, then we get 2 cos of theta square, that means cos square theta, minus 2 root 2 is the formula 2 root 2, that means root 2 cos theta, and you can write here 1, that means 1 is 1, that means 1, okay, and 1 square, we can write 1 square. Then you see this will be a formula of a minus b whole square, okay. So it will be 2 root 2 cos theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0, or root 2 minus root 2 cos theta minus equal to 0, or root 2 cos theta equal to 1, or cos theta equal to 1 by root 2, or cos theta, we know cos of 45 degree equal to what? Cos of 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore theta equal to what? Theta equal to 45 degree. Okay, our question is, if p plus q equal to root 2, then prove that theta equal to 45 degree. Okay, therefore write proved. Now question number 3. Okay, you come here and see the question number 3. Question number 3, if 7p square plus 3q square equal to 4, then show that tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, okay student, now I can write question number 3, given here p equal to sin theta, q equal to cos theta. P equal to sin theta, q equal to cos theta. Now 7p square plus 3q square equal to 4. 7p square plus 3q square equal to 4. Okay, now put the value. 7p means what? Sin theta. This will be sin theta whole square plus 3 q means what? Cos of theta whole square is equal to 4, or 7 sin square theta 3 cos square theta equal to 4. Okay, 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta equal to 4. Now 7 sin square theta, 3 cos square theta means, we know cos square theta means what? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta equal to 4, or 7 sin square theta plus 3 minus 3 sin square theta equal to 4, or 7 sin square theta minus 3 sin square theta, this equal to 4 sin square theta, 4 minus 3, or sin square theta equal to 1. Student, look here, 7 sin square theta minus 3 sin square theta, this equal to 4 sin square theta, 4 plus this will be minus, then 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Okay? Or sin square theta equal to 1 by 4, or taking the square root, then you get sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Okay? Taking here square root on the both sides, then you get sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Now look, we know cos theta equal to what? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 sin theta means what? 1 by 2 whole square. 1 minus 1 by 4 whole square, that means 4 minus 1 by 4 square root 3 by 2. Look student, 4 minus 1 equal to what? 3. And there is square root, square root. If we take in square root of 4, then you get 2. Okay? Now, right, left hand side tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. We have got sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Right here, 1 by 2. Cos theta means what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. This is equal to what? 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 and 2 many, then you get what? 1 by root 3. Okay? And this is the right hand side. Look, 1 by 2 into 2 square root 3 square root 3. Right here square root 3. Then 2 many, then 1 by root 3. Okay student, therefore left hand side, therefore right hand side, according to the questions we have to show. That means, okay student, this is your required result. Okay student, I hope you understood. Now I will solve question number 29. You again student, look question number 29. Please at first read the question. In accordance of the given figure, that means this figure, you see A, B, C. BC is the base, root 3, and 1 is the perpendicular, and this is 90 degree. And AC is here hypotenuse. Okay. A number questions. What is the measure of AC? Student, we know the Pythagoras theorem. In a Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse square is equal to sum of base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, hypotenuse square equal to sum of base square plus perpendicular square. Now see one number. What is the measurement of AC? You see, right? Pythagoras. By Pythagoras theorem we know AC square, that means this is the hypotenuse square. AC square means this is the hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base. Okay, according to the figure. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square, that means BC square plus perpendicular square, that means AB square, or BC means root 3, right here root 3 and then whole square, plus AB means 1 square, then 3 plus 1 square, and root vanish, then we get 3 plus 1, that means 4. Therefore AC square equal to 4. Now taking square root on the both sides, then we get what? We get AC equal to 2. Okay student, and this is the solution for one number. That means the measure of AC is 2. The measurement of AC is 2. Now see question number 2. Find the value of tan A plus tan C. Tan A plus tan C. Okay? Look, at first draw the figure like this way. This is A, B and C. This is 1 and this is root 3. Okay, this information has given. Look, right here, tan A. Here, tan A. Student, look. Now I have considered for this angle. Student, look. Now I will consider for this angle. Okay, student, please carefully look. I consider for this angle, that means A here acute angle. Now consider for acute angle, BC will be the what? BC will be the perpendicular. Okay, BC will be the what? BC will be the perpendicular. Remember, BC will be the perpendicular, and this will be what? This AB, that AB will be base. Okay, we know tan theta means what? But tan A equal to, we know PB. PB means what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. Okay, so here perpendicular is BC, right here BC, base. Base here AB, AB, right here AB. Okay, now BC equal to what? BC equal to root 3 and AB equal to 1. Okay, now see tan C. Tan C. Student, look. Now we have to consider this angle. For this angle. Okay, this is acute angle for opposite side. That means AB is the opposite side. So this will be what? Perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Okay, and this will be now base. Okay, student. So tan C, you see here, this is the angle. This is the angle for acute angle. This will be the perpendicular. Okay, and you see for this is the opposite side of this acute angle. Okay, then we know PB means what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular here AB, base here BC. That means what? AB means what? AB means 1 and BC means root 3. Okay, student. Student, I have given this picture for your understanding. Okay. Now, right here, now tan A plus tan C. Okay. Tan A equal to what? Tan A root 3 by 1. Okay, right? Root 3 by 1, that means 1. Plus tan C means what? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Okay, now do LCM root 3 whole square, you know, I hope. Square and root 3 vanish, then we get 3 plus 1 is equal to what? 4 by root 3. Okay, therefore the values of tan A plus tan C equal to what? Is equal to, student, 4 by root 3. Student, look, square and root vanish, then we get 3 plus 1 4, root 3 remaining same, root 3. Okay, therefore the values of tan A plus tan C is equal to 4 by root 3. Okay, and this is the answer of 2 number question. Now see, for 3 number questions. Okay, look, see the question. Find the values of x and y. You see, find the values of x and y. Okay, write from 2 got tan A equal to BC by AB, BC by AB, or tan A means x plus y and BC by AB means root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1. Student, look, and therefore tan x plus y equal to root 3 by 1 or root 3, same. You know, tan 60 degree equal to root 3, and this is the equation 1. Again, and from 2, tan C equal to what? Tan C equal to AB by BC, AB by BC. Tan C equal to AB by BC. AB means what? 1. BC, that means root 3. Okay? Or tan C means 1 by root 3, or tan C means what? X minus y. And we know tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Tan vanish, then x minus y equal to 30 degree. And this is the equation 2. Student, please look here. Look in the figure. Look, A means what? X plus y. A means x plus y. So I have written A means x plus y. And C angle, that means x minus y. You see, tan C. C means x minus y. C means x minus y. Okay? Our question, find the values of x and y. Okay? Look, student, from 2 we have got tan A equal to BC by AB, root 3 by 1, that means tan x plus y equal to tan 60 degree. Okay? Now, tan and tan reduce, then we get what? X plus y equal to 60 degree. And this is the equation 1. Look, tan vanish, then x plus y equal to 60. And here x minus y 1 by root 3, that means tan 30. Tan vanish, then x minus y equal to 30. Okay, now adding equation 1 and 2, right? Adding equation 1 and 2. That means x plus y equal to 60 degree and x minus y equal to 30 degree. Adding x plus x to x 90 degree, or x equal to what? 90 degree division 2. That means x equal to what? 45 degree. Now putting the value of x in equation 1. Right? From equation 1, x plus y equal to 60, or x equal to what? 45 degree plus y equal to 60 degree, or y equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. Look, 60 degree minus 45 degree, this equal to y equal to 15 degree. Okay student, so according to the question, the values of x and y are 45 degree and 15 degree respectively. Okay student? Student, look, now I will talk about HW topic. You see HW norm 15. Exercise 9.2, CQ norm 28. Student, CQ8, page 212. This question, that means this CQ is similar as question norm 29. Okay? Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.